So, Charanya, we are here in AI Slogan Generator.
Right.
So this is pretty amazing in terms of, they call it Zyro, zyro.com/tools
Tools slash
slogan
slogan
hyphen
hyphen generator.
It's pretty amazing. So all you got to do, Sharanya, and everyone who is seeing this video is you got to just type the single keyword that you want to generate a slogan. For example, let's say marketing.
Okay, what type of slogan you need relating to that
Particular category, you have to give a keyword. Okay.
If you are starting a fairness cream, means fairness cream, beauty products, food
or car,
pizza, automobile. Likewise, you have to give the keyword.
Yes.
Then click on
generate your slogan. And then it's going to generate using artificial intelligence. They have a lot of technology.
So your slogans are generate.
You saw that?
Generated.
Fast marketing, good for you. Taste of marketing, it's everything. Marketing, you bet. The power of the word. Marketing's got it all, and etc. etc. So slogans are generated. You saw that?
Yeah, okay. Right.
So this is pretty amazing in terms of getting the slogans to the fullest potential.
So you may pick any of the slogan which you want.
Okay? Exactly. So like Zyro, we have getsocio.com getsocio.com/tool/slogan generator.
Right.
This is also a free slogan maker. It's an excellent tool to come up with a creative tagline for your business. So suppose a baker, as Saranya was saying, food, this one, and coffee shop, game
studio, store, corporation, boutique, cute boutique, mobile app, studio, law firm, travel agency, clothing store,
embroidery,
startups, anything.
Okay. So suppose I want to give startup. Okay.
Beauty products.
Startup. Okay. Then the slogans. Okay, you are choosing beauty products. I don't want to, give random thing. But startup is come next. I'll give beauty product. Don't worry, Sharanya. Okay.
Only the crumblest, flakeless startup.
Okay. You can't beat startup. This is only first page.
So 5 pages are there.
Oh my God!
No,
it is.
Only 5.
It is. If I go to 6, 7 will come.
Lot of pages.
Ultimate, amazing.
Way to go, startup.
No, it is generated 1,345 slogans.
Oh my God.
So beauty. Sharanya was talking about beauty, so I'll give beauty, generate slogans. There it is.
Blink beauty.
Blink beauty. Beauty, go for the game. Get more from
beauty.
One
and only beauty. Beauty outshines the rest.
Beauty evolution I like. Okay.
Beauty evolution.
All beauty all the time. Super.
All beauty all the time. Yeah, okay. Everything.
So now you understood, guys. All you gotta do is just give a keyword. So whatever keyword it is, be it even car, whatever you give, simply the best car, right? So you'll get whatever slogans that is going to come across from free slogan maker, and then they have generated 1,154 slogans for this. Amazing.
Wow.
So similar to this and this, we have this. Okay. So we have withintheflow.com.
withintheflow.com/slogan generator.
Exactly. So here also you can generate a slogan. So suppose I want to give a computer here.
Computers.
And computers, and then click on generate, and then it's going to do the magic here, and it's got 1,200 computer slogans generated for your logo that you can live on forever.
Computers, there's no better way.
Be like that. Keep
just
computers.
Do computers.
Supercomputers is almost here. Computers wanted. I need computer right now. All computer all the time.
Computer kicks us.
Yes, kicks us. Computers is a winner. Computers will make you handsome. Mom's gone to computers. The best computers in the world. Everything is amazing to the fullest potential. withintheflow.com/slogan generator. Okay, so this is the best ever, slogan generator. Both three are very good. You can use both three.
First one is Zyro.
Yeah, first one is
Zyro.com. Second one is getsocio.com. And third one is withintheflow.com.
Whatever you want, enjoy your life to the fullest potential. Now we got the slogans right. Now Sharanya, let's get out of business with the logos, okay? How we can create logos using artificial intelligence. It's going to be in the next slide. That's going to change your life forever. Let's see you in the next slide. I mean, the next video for that matter.
Yeah,
there's no slides.
Next video.
Only next videos, practical videos. Let's look at that right now.